I wasn't sure about this polygel kit, but went ahead and got it because it was so affordable. The box puts me in the feels of something you'd open as a gift. We'll be fine. I bet we be messing up these company names. Like, what if the W is actually pronounced like a Y and it's you be fine? Well, either way, let's get into this box because I can't wait. I like that it comes boxed and sealed. As soon as you open it, there's a cute pink envelope. It's so nicely embossed. And it contains the instruction manual and a card with a scratch-off code for a prize, along with your QR code to activate your lifetime warranty. Now that's some backing right there. We'll go to the contents in just a second, but I wanted to peruse the booklet for anything that might stand out. You know something? This actually takes you from beginning all the way through to the end, even with placing the bling. And there's a couple of significant things. It suggests that you can use their polygel as bling adhesive. I think I talked about that before. And it should be cured in an LED lamp from 60 to 90 seconds. And you know what? It feels like it is as I'm opening this because everything is so well put together and coordinated. This is actually a French polygel kit, you know, like for creating pink and whites, which is something you should practice if you're wanting to do client services. Look at this nice zip bag. Looks like some goodies in it. Guys, these aren't small either. They have the company name. Yes, first impression, this is coming across very professional. This kit comes with and I believe it's a 48-watt nail lamp. I'm looking back to see. But if I'm incorrect, I'll have it on the screen for you. And I can see through the wrap bag. It has the company name on the lamp too. Just in feel of picking it up out the box, it is a bottomless lamp, which I've really been wanting. But let's check out what we took out so far. So here's one of the bags. And there's dual forms, and they have a slight curve, not the extreme curve that we're accustomed to seeing in many of the dual forms. There's also regular nail forms. There's alcohol prep wipes, tweezers. Then there's some really nice nail art. Here's a sheet of flames. You know, I see many companies are starting to step up with the nail game because, girl, there's some more nice things. Look at these crystals, and it comes in plain clear, and then there's also AB crystals. Then there's some larger ones, and they're definitely not the cheap plastic ones. These are some AB stones. Some stones, guys, some stones. As I said in my very first YouTube video when I was doing the Amazon nail haul. Some stones, guys, some stones. So you know it's gonna be on with the gems, right? It's gonna be on. It's gonna be lit, super lit. Lit, super lit. Flames. I'm gonna put those nails on fire, on fire. I always kind of make reference back to that. So we'll seal that up because the way this came, it really makes you want to continue keeping it as nice as you got it. Oh, I'm loving these bags, especially that they have zippers too. They can double as travel bags, so you can carry things inside without spillage. And the bags themselves are a nice quality. They're plastic, but they're soft like some type of a fabricy plastic, if that's even a word, fabricy. Look, I wish we had feel-o-vision. Not smell-o-vision, but feel-o-vision, so you could get the same experience that I'm having. I feel like I'm unboxing a special gift that I won from a nail convention. Like, for me? Oh, thank you. So there's a 100/180 nail file with the company name on it. and a gel brush, which most kits come with, but check this out. I did say that this was filled with things for nail art, right? Well, look at here, a dotting tool. So you don't need those toothpicks and hairpins anymore, honey. And more nail art. Some gold foil, silver foil. It just seems they thought of everything. Look at this cute butterfly glitter. Plus, there's even more beautiful glitters. They thought enough to do mixed colors and textures too. You really don't need anything else because this kit comes with everything you need to do a set of polygel nails from start to finish, with even doing the embellishments. That is so awesome. Now remember, there were still 2 more small boxes inside, so I'm tripping. You know how all of us have done this, like shop for something and then forget what comes with it? So this comes with slip solution. I don't know about slip, but I just think it's nice that they still included it. There's nail strengthener. And then top, base. And guys, look at this, matte finish. Not only did they have that one brush with the dotting tool, there's also the official polygel brush with the spatula at one end. And I'm still not done. Oh, look at this, the brush has the company name. Because I didn't think it at first, but the brush has the company name too. Now, I don't know how good this brand is, but I can surely say this. This kit is put together so well. You just can't wait to play with it. Even the hand file has their name. Like, what? So, the 3 polygels, there's pink, white, and clear, because in case I didn't mention, this is a pink and white set. And each tube is a 30 milliliter tube. So that's plenty of sets that you're able to do or even practice with if that's the purpose of you purchasing it. Then the lamp, guys, not just a lamp. It's a lamp made for the nail technician in the way that it faces and where the control buttons are located. Guys, look, this kit only cost me $19.99. And how do they say it? No cap. I have receipts all up in here, honey. Bam! So, we're going to try this polygel, and then I'll give you my thoughts on the polygel itself after. But up until now, I gotta say, I still think that it's worth the price that I spent for it. So let's check out the polygel. It comes from the tube pretty easy. I decided to try it with the slip solution since it came with the kit. Now the slip has no smell, so it's kind of hard to tell if there's anything familiar in it. As I started working the polygel, it seemed to become firmer relatively quick, and there was somewhat a struggle getting it to lay smoothly. Could be the slip maybe evaporating too quickly. Notice that when I pull it in from the sides, it stays folded, and if I worked it with a little more pressure, the whole layer would pull with it. You may not be able to see that too well, but you can see how firm it becomes because it doesn't move much as I keep going. Coincidentally, it put me in the mind of bubblegum. One, because it's pink. You know how some bubble gums get firmer as you chew it? I went ahead and cured this, then tried the white. I still use the slip solution, and it pretty much did the same. I'll let you watch for everything I just described, so at least we know, because I'm becoming sure it's the slip solution, but keep watching because I'll be showing one using the base coat too. Then, of course, we want to see if the clear is clear, and I'll let you guys judge that. And if not being late, well, also indicates the struggle was real. However, I will say that clear is super clear and no yellowing. But let's use this base coat and you tell me if you see the difference. Leave it in the comments, okay? I hope you enjoyed this and it was helpful. There'll be a link in my description box, and if you're considering this, the price was still the same at the time of this post. Thank you for being here today. I look forward to seeing you in the next Bougie Nails on a Budget on Tuesday and Acrylic Nail Design on Thursday. See you then. Much love.